Okay, and welcome to this video where I'll be going through a few things to help you type. The first thing to cover is on-screen keyboards. Now, on video 3, I showed you how to set up shortcuts that can be accessed easily by the HAPP, and you can see I have a little group of shortcuts here in the middle. I've put a number in front to indicate that it's Control-Alt-1 will start the on-screen keyboard in this case, Control-Alt-2 for Chrome, Control-Alt-3 for Microsoft Word, etc. Now we want to send Control-Alt-1 for my on-screen keyboard. So let's go at that. So we need to go S2, sub2 to get to the subcommand menu. There you go. And it's already on subcommand 1, so a hard blow should fire up my on-screen keyboard. Now this particular keyboard is called Click and Type and is free, and you can download that from its website. The website, if you Google Click and Type, I'm sure you'll find it, or you can find the link on the support page of the Celtic Magic website. One or two little curiosities this program's got. I'll just show you how I like to set it up. You can see here under Options we have Program Preferences. I like to say hide or not in use. Now this is a bit of a curiosity. You only really get a further dialogue when you select it. So unselect and select it again. I like to have the position of the keyboard that it will hide in off to the left, and I like to have that at maximum. Okay, I think that's all we need from that dialogue. Yep, that's all my standard selections, so we'll leave that like that. The keyboard preferences, so last was program preferences, keyboard preferences. I like to have it making a sound of typewriter, and at the bottom is one thing here you might want to play with. That's keyboard transparency. At the moment I have it at maximum, but you can see you can have it fading out if you wish. I'll leave it at maximum at the moment. Okay. The other thing I've selected here, it's non-standard. I've got identify keys when the mouse is over them. That's really just for the sake of the video. It's up to you. You can see it highlights in yellow. And one final thing, a curiosity, to get a standard keyboard, a QWERTY keyboard, you have to go to user design keyboards. The keyboards you'll get, what they call normal keyboard, is a kind of curious ABCD thing. If you're used to keyboards, that for me isn't a normal keyboard. Normal keyboards are found under user design keyboards. Select a user design keyboard and choose one of the QWERTY ones. We've got long and short, so I'm going to go for short, and that's keyboard as I would like it to appear. Now it's set to auto hide, so if I click away from it, it's set to about 1.5 seconds. You can see the position I've had it hiding or parking is off to the left, and it's exposing about 10% of its area, which is quite nice, and that will remain on top of any applications that you're running, so that you can easily maximize it. So basic typing, we're going to fire up Microsoft Word. You can see Microsoft Word is set to shortcut 3 here. So we're going to issue Control-Alt-3. So that's subcommand 3. Hard blow. It's a bit sluggish. Now, to begin typing, we need to find our keyboard. Now, one thing to be aware of, the keyboard has to know what program it's going to be typing in. If you had multiple documents open, then you make sure the one you actually want to type in is the one that's got focus. So that's the last one you clicked on. So I'm just going to do a click here, left click. Okay. So that's definitely the document that the keyboard is going to enter the text into. So now I need to go and hover over my keyboard, which you can see is part down the left hand side there. Okay, and it's as simple as pressing the keys. I'm going to be showing you how to do some basic editing of a document. You can see we've got a sentence here that needs correcting. I've also got a document open here that just reminds us of the subcommands that I'll be using. So we've got our Control Z, Control X, Control C, and Control V commands all available to us, which is undo, cut, copy, paste, etc. So here's still the image of the HAPP's display. So let's say I want to move the word cat to before mat. So the cursor is already at the end of T in cat. So we want to hold the left button, which will be Command B4, below 4. Okay, and you can see the top LEDs flashing, indicating that that's holding. Now we want to drag. That's highlighted the word cat. And now we want to cut it, which is 97. If you look at the other document, subcommand 97 would be cut. So I'm going to go to subcommands, and then down to 97. Okay. Now to action that, we need a single blow. There you go, and the word cat's gone. Now we need to reposition the cursor. And a single blow will move the cursor to where I want to enter the word cat, which is held in the buffer at the minute. Now to paste it, that's going to be subcommand 95. As you can see, that is Control V, paste. So again, we'll go to subcommands, and now we want to move it down to 95. And a single blow to action it. Okay, the cat is in the right position. Now just repeat that for the mat, and just watch how it goes. Piece of cake.